Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal a quick and extremely effective workout sequence, perfect for those who are always busy and don't have hours to spend at the gym. Discover how to turn just 10 minutes of your day into a true explosion of health and energy. So, if you always say you don't have time to exercise, this video is especially for you. Stay with me until the end, because in addition to showing you the exercises, I'll share valuable tips to maximize your results, even with a tight schedule. Ready? Then let's get started. Before we jump into the practical sequence, it is essential to understand why short workouts can be just as effective or even more than long gym sessions. The secret lies in intensity. Short, intense exercises activate your metabolism, increase calorie burn, and promote muscle strengthening in less time. Plus, regular practice of high-intensity movements improves cardiovascular endurance, speeds up fat burning, and boosts your daily energy. It's not magic, it's science. The famous HIIT method, high-intensity interval training, is the foundation of this concept and has been proven by various studies to be highly effective. Now, grab your water bottle, put on comfortable clothes, and find a free space, because we're about to start the workout sequence. Remember, it's only 10 minutes, but the intensity will demand your best. If it feels too heavy, slow down the pace, but don't stop. The goal is to move your body safely, respecting your limits. To help, we'll divide the exercises into 45-second blocks with 15 seconds of rest between each one. By the end of the circuit, you'll have completed a full body workout, activating your legs, arms, core, and improving your cardiovascular capacity. Let's go! The first exercise is the classic jumping jack. Stand up straight with your feet together and arms at your sides. Start by jumping and spreading your legs while raising your arms above your head. Then, return to the starting position and repeat the movement. Do this continuously and quickly for 45 seconds. Jumping jacks are excellent for warming up, activating circulation, and preparing the body for the more intense exercises to come. Take this moment to regulate your breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And remember, keep a smile on your face. You're taking care of your health. After 15 seconds of rest, let's move on to the second exercise, the squat jump. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, bend your knees, and lower your body as if sitting in a chair. When you rise, push your body up and make a small jump, landing softly and returning to the squat position. Do this movement for 45 seconds. This exercise is great for strengthening your legs, glutes, and core while increasing calorie burn. Remember to keep your back straight and your knees aligned with your feet to avoid injuries. If it's too hard, perform the squat without the jump, keeping the intensity appropriate to your level. Take another 15 seconds to rest, breathe deeply, and get ready for the third exercise, the plank hold. Lie on your stomach. Place your forearms on the floor and lift your body, keeping only your forearms and toes in contact with the ground. Your body should form a straight line without letting your hips sag or rise too high. Hold this position firmly and breathe steadily for 45 seconds. The plank is one of the best exercises for strengthening the core, protecting the lower back, and improving posture. If you find it difficult, keep your knees on the ground to reduce the load while maintaining muscle engagement. Now, take advantage of the 15 seconds of rest and get ready for the fourth exercise, the mountain climber. Get into a plank position, but with your arms extended. Alternately bring your knees towards your chest as if you're climbing a mountain. The faster you go, the more intense the exercise will be. Perform this for 45 seconds. This movement works the abs and arms while significantly increasing your heart rate, making it excellent for fat burning and cardiovascular endurance. Remember to keep your core tight and your breathing steady. If you get tired, slow down, but don't stop. Another short 15-second break, and let's move on to the fifth exercise. Alternating lunges. Stand upright, take a step forward with one leg, and bend both knees until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement with the other leg. Keep alternating legs for 45 seconds. Lunges are perfect for strengthening the muscles in your legs and glutes, as well as working on balance and coordination. Keep your torso upright and avoid letting your front knee go past your toes to prevent injury. After the rest, we reach the sixth exercise. Lie on your stomach, place your hands on the floor at shoulder level, and keep your feet together behind you. Lift your body by extending your arms, then bend your elbows, lowering your chest toward the floor. Push back up and repeat the movement for 45 seconds. Push-ups are excellent for strengthening the chest, shoulders, and triceps. If it's too difficult, keep your knees on the ground to reduce the load but maintain proper technique. Keep your core tight and your body aligned throughout the movement. Breathe steadily and stay focused. Another 15 seconds of rest, and let's proceed to the seventh exercise. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your legs raised, knees bent. Alternate, bringing your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg. Then your left elbow toward your right knee while extending your left leg. Do this movement continuously and rhythmically for 45 seconds. Bicycle crunches are among the best exercises for defining the ABS, working the obliques, and improving coordination. Keep your lower back pressed to the floor and avoid pulling your neck with your hands. Now, take a short breath and get ready for the eighth exercise. Simplified burpees. Stand up, squat down, and place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs back to get into a plank position. Then quickly bring your legs back and stand up again. If you want to increase the intensity, add a jump at the end. Perform this for 45 seconds. The burpee is a complete exercise that works on strength, endurance, and rapidly boosts your metabolism. If it's too hard, perform the movement more slowly and without the jump. The important thing is to maintain correct form and not stop. Another 15 seconds of rest, and we move on to the ninth exercise, the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Lift your hips by contracting your glutes and hamstrings, then lower slowly without fully resting your hips on the floor. Repeat this movement for 45 seconds. This exercise is excellent for strengthening the glutes, lower back, and hamstrings, as well as helping improve pelvic stability. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your breathing steady. This is also a great moment to lower your heart rate slightly. And now, the 10th and final exercise of our workout, running in place with high knees. Stand up and alternately lift your knees towards your chest, simulating a fast run in place. The higher you lift your knees and the faster you move, the more intense the exercise will be. Do this for 45 seconds. This movement is great for finishing the workout with plenty of energy, activating your legs, core, and raising your heart rate. Keep your arms moving as if you're running for real and breathe steadily. If you get tired, slow the pace, but don't stop completely. Congratulations! You've just completed a full workout sequence that can be done anywhere without any equipment, and best of all, in just 10 minutes. This type of workout is ideal for those with a busy routine, but who don't want to give up on health and well-being? Remember, consistency is key to achieving results. It's not about doing it once and stopping. Try to include this sequence at least 3 times a week in your routine, and you'll quickly notice improvements in your energy levels, physical conditioning, and even your mental health. Before we finish, I want to reinforce the importance of listening to your body. If you feel any pain or discomfort, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional or fitness instructor for personalized guidance. Also, don't forget to maintain a balanced diet and proper hydration to further enhance the benefits of the workout. And if you enjoyed this content, leave your share it with that friend who always complains about not having time to exercise. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tips on health, wellness, and quality of life. See you in the next video.